Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, August 24th, 2010. Today we have a total of 10 executable trade signals for a max potential of minus 19 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 53.50 or so, and we came off of a pre-market what I call a flush. It was a quick move down and a quick move up, so there was some overnight selling, which gave a little bit of upward bias to the market, and immediately came down, got a signal to get long, got our first contract off, didn't get the follow through. We were looking to the upside, ended up with a T1 minus 2 on that particular trade, and then we got the signal to the downside, and again this upward bias, the market did push a little higher, actually came all the way up, gave us a full stop out. So we started off this morning, it was a little rough, it was a tough day to trade with our system today, just due to the amount of moves that the market was making. So T0 minus 14 on that, crossed down to the downside. We got a signal to get short, just a small micro trade. Targets 1, targets 2 were hit for 6 ticks as we pushed down into that Globex low area. Coming off the 10 o'clock news, you can see there was a news trade here. There was actually an opportunity in our room where you could take advantage of a quick news trade for an extension to the downside, but not a real signal as far as our trading plan goes, more of a room trade, so we won't show any profitability on that particular move. But coming off of that 10:44 low, the 10 o'clock reversal time, again it was another swoosh. It was a quick down and up movement. They recovered basically all of their new sell off, and then at 10:04 we actually got a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside, and the market just kind of did a nice little stair step climb here all the way up until right about 10:30. You can see we had this strong move to the downside. Now again, opportunity for a signal over here, but it didn't quite meet all of our criteria, so we had to pass on the early entry right at 10:29, and by the time we did take our signal, still what would have been a very strong entry, we got our first position off, but we didn't get the follow through. Another T1 minus 2, the market came up, stopped us out, and continued higher, and on that reversal move, 10:45 confirmation time, they resumed that morning move off of that 10:44 low, and we went higher. Targets 1, targets 2 off the 10:45 confirmation time, plus 7, T2 plus 7. We moved into our 11:15 reversal time. This is when we would expect the market to start pulling back a bit. There was a real nice opportunity to get in a longer term short, and we have what we call our go with trade, and in the room right around 11 o'clock we were pulling into some key resistance level. There was an opportunity to get short, but by the time we got our signal, again it was a full stop out heading into lunch. We did not get our first contract off. The market actually pulled back into that first resistance area, actually took out the high of that area and it stopped a lot of folks out. After the initial profit, they actually took a stop out after we broke that swing high. So the actual signal entry, T0 minus 14, the market pushed a little higher up to the next highest resistance level, came off that, the 12:10 reversal time that happens in our dead zone, which we do not trade the dead zone between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area you see on our chart, but there was a rotation right there at that 12:10 reversal period, and the market pushed lower. Coming out of lunch, we had a move to the upside, gave us a false signal to get long. First contract was touched, target was touched, but it did not fill. T0 minus 14, because we only touched the level at 55.25, no fill on our first position, ended up taking a full stop out. T0 minus 14 on the rotation back through the moving average, came down, pulled back, gave us an opportunity to get short, no follow through again. T1 minus 2, and you can see today was just kind of whippy back and forth, and coming off that 2:30 reversal time, we did get the push higher. T1, T2, 10 ticks to the upside, and then the market basically climbed higher until the end of the day sell-off, and then we ultimately went lower. So crazy day in the markets, crazy day to apply the system. You'll have some days like this. That is trading. Not every day is going to be a winner. And today, if you were just taking the blind signals, not filtering and not doing any of the longer term setups, today in the room you would have had 10 trades, minus 19 ES ticks. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.